Oh, Prince Harry, forever the cherished icon for his virtuous declarations regarding transforming the globe. Yet hold on, how is an individual able to alter the planet when he cannot even modify the conduct of his own relatives? Nevertheless, Harry arrogantly announces that should he witness a routine of conduct that is hurting people, he shall attempt all he can to transform it. Truly lovely phrasing, isn't it? However, when you observe the truth, his deeds bear zero relation to what he speaks. For instance, when one of his long-standing school friends cracked a vulgar gag regarding his mother-in-law, Doria Ragland, Harry exploded and severed ties with him forever. Fine, it is excellent to witness a gentleman defending his spouse's kin. Though frankly, do you not believe he ought to spare a second to protect his own bloodline as well? Is he unable to confront the poisonous conduct stemming from his private royal household, such as the persistent rudeness against Meghan and her relatives, rather than merely blasting strangers? Also, let us not overlook Harry's righteous position on shielding Meghan, considering he was raised in a household where vulgar jests regarding others appeared to be the standard. What precisely has he gained from his academic years? Or is this merely an ethical show to appear more virtuous in the view of the populace? Certainly, guarding Meghan and her folks is praiseworthy, yet shouldn't he understand he is becoming ensnared in a net of inconsistencies and failures? It is even more paradoxical how the press continues portraying Harry as a champion who is forever prepared to fight for what is correct. Yet, what is the actuality? Harry previously stated he could not alter the globe unless he transformed his lineage, though obviously he is attempting nothing to adjust what is occurring within his specific royal clan. And we must remember, he is the person who elected to walk away from all duties, and currently judges those who stay without ever examining his own deeds. The charm is that not just the press, but Harry and Meghan themselves never cease flaunting their values, yet nobody ever witnesses the real efforts that ought to go with those phrases. They persist in critiquing other people. Still, regarding their personal behaviours, there exists nothing except vacant speeches. It is the typical, act as I speak, not as I act, correct? Ultimately, while Harry finds glory in guarding his partner's relatives, he appears to neglect that perhaps it is the moment he begins shielding his own kin prior to attempting to shift the earth. Yet, who can say, perhaps one day Harry shall discover how to resolve the troubles inside his private household, rather than simply talking regarding matters outside his command.